Alright guys, so today in this video we're going to be making a hand spear. You're going to need these materials, PVC, a couple of lengths of aluminium and some rubber and stuff. Cut your PVC to 30mm, cut your bands to 30mm as well, and then just attach them with rubber bands. Now I'm just going to wrap rope around the PVC. It's going to give the handle a bit of grip. And now just cover it in tape as well. As you can see, it's nice and grippy, nice and strong. Bands are in there good. Now I'm just making the little bit of rope that's going to go on the end of the bands. You need to tie 2 knots and then seal off those knots with the lighter. Just poke each one of those knots into the ends of the exercise bands. These exercise bands are really cheap and you can get them off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And I'm just cutting a notch, as you can see, in the back of the aluminium. And that's going to allow it to notch into that piece of rope. And now you can pull it back and shoot it out. But we need to make some points for our aluminium. I've got 2 pieces of aluminium and I'm going to cut some bike spokes and then I'm going to tape them all on there. It's going to make a pronged tip on one of them. As you can see, that's a very deadly sharp looking tip, perfect for small fish. And now this one will be for the bigger fish and the crabs and whatnot. It's just a tent peg inside the aluminium and I just hit it with a hammer a few times to crush it, tape it up. Alrighty, so after a couple of backflips and a bit of fun, we're at the river. It's pretty murky today, so it's really hard to see anything, but it also means the fish can't see me coming. So there was a few blackfish hanging around the weeds, and I did manage to get one in the end. Nice sized fish, will be perfect for eating. Alrighty, so we're in the kitchen now. Just going to fillet the fish and take the skin off as well. I've got a full video on doing this if you want to watch the non-fast version. Go to my channel, Mark J Official. I've got heaps of videos on filleting fish and cooking them up. This is my favourite way to cook fish. They turn out absolutely delicious every time. Butter and a little bit of fish mix. Tastes amazing. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. I would appreciate it if you could go on my Instagram and have a look at a couple of posts, see if you like it. Drop it a follow if you do like it, and if you've got some cool content, I'll follow you back.